Sun crawls through the blinds whispering, wake up sleepyhead. Lazy Sundays ain't for rushing, let's stay in this bed. Coffee brews feel like our footsteps on this wooden floor. Curl up in this worn out blanket, don't need nothing more. Lazy Sundays, just you and me, no place we gotta be. Time stands still when weather is free, in our little lazy spree. Read a book or dream together, watch clouds forming shapes. No hurry, no tether, this love, no escapades. Whisper secrets over pancakes, laugh till the afternoon fades. Catch the sunset feeling so great, treasure in these lazy days. Lazy Sundays, just you and me, world outside, let it be. Clock ticks slow, so effortlessly, in our little lazy spree. Read a book or dream together, world outside, let it be. Clock ticks slow, so effortlessly, in our little lazy spree. Lazy Sundays, just you and me, no place we gotta be. Time stands still when weather's free, in a little lazy spree. Sitting on a rainbow, caught up in the glow. Host and my sneakers, still running with the flow. Trash cans singing, 'cause they know what I know. Skipping down the alley with a pocket full of hope. Found a four-leaf clover in a cracked sidewalk. Graffiti whisper secrets that the brick walls talk. Catching raindrops in my empty coffee cup. Smiling at strangers 'cause their vibes lift me up. Leaning on a rainbow 'cause it's all we got. Dancing like nobody's watching on this tiny dot. Rules made for breaking, hearts are for the brave. Life's a crazy puzzle, I just like to misbehave. Coins in the fountain, making wishes by mist. Street lights blinking like they're giving me a kiss. Buskers playing melodies that make me dream. City's heart beats louder than it ever seems. Sidewalk preachers singing out their holy lines. Kids with chalk paint on marble steps of time. Every little heartbeat is a drum for the streets, turning every moment into something sweet. Neon signs reflecting futures yet unseen. Eyes wide open in this technicolor dream.